Alright, today we're going to be going through how to customize icons. I did this for whenever I realized Revit kept pushing out the same type of icon for various years. And you can see I've got them pinned down here. I've already done 18 to 22, and I want to show you how to do 23. You can do this for pretty much any program that I know of, but this was meant for specifically Revit. So the first thing you want to do is go to C Drive, Program Data, Microsoft, Windows, Start Menu, Programs, Autodesk, and there's a couple different ways to get here, but this is the easiest I've found so far. If you see here, you can actually notice that there's multiple different Revit versions. Like I said, I've already done these. I'm going to show you how to do 23. So here, this is the actual shortcut, and you're going to right-click on it, Properties, Change Icon. Now you want to highlight this entire file location except for the revt.ico, the revit.icon. And ICO stands for icon. So I'm going to Control C, cancel, cancel, and then I'm going to open up another and paste it in there. I'm going to go, and this will bring me here. And you can see this .ico right there. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this into my blue beam, and it's going to ask me where I want to save this at. I'm going to just stick it on my desktop for now to make it simple and easy. And then it's going to open right here. So this is the actual icon, and I want to put text on there to make it look very similar to those. So I'm going to do a text command, change it to 100 font, drop it right there, and since this is 23, I'm going to put 23 there. You can put whatever you'd like. I usually personally prefer a little bit of white, but not too much, so it's easier to see, about like so. And then I'm going to save this. And then I'm also going to save this as a file save as a JPEG. Okay. Again, right on the desktop. And then I'm going to open up Paint. From here, I'm going to go open that JPEG that I just put up there. All right. From here, I've got this, and I'm going to save it as other formats, a 24-bit map. But instead of the .bmp, I'm going to put .ico. Okay. From this location, I'm going to move that .ico file from my desktop into wherever I want it, right there, if I wanted to. If you want to put it in the same location, you might want to rename it. I'll just rename it real quick to keep it simple. 23. Continue. All right. Now going back to where we were at originally, I'm going to, again, right-click, Properties, Change Icon, and Browse. And then I'm going to select the Revit23.ico. Hit OK. OK. Apply. Continue. OK. And now my Revit 23 icon should be updated. And it is. You can see it right there, Revit 23.